Hello Stampers, it's Laura with Laura's Stamp Pad, and today we are going to create this fabulous floral card. You know how much I love flowers. We're using the Fragrant Layers stamp set as well as the coordinating dies. I've had so much fun with these, so you can check out other videos as well. First, we're going to start with our Shy Shamrock, and I'm just going to stamp the leaves all around the background of our card front. So this is our card base measuring 5.5 by 8.5, and I'm stamping those leaves hanging off the edges to make sure the pattern is continuous, as well as turning the stamped image around just so that you get a little bit of a different look and it doesn't look the same every single time that you're stamping it. So I'm just going to add those leaves all around the background. And then I'm also going to add a few leaves to the basic white that is going to be on the inside. So this is just adding a little bit of decoration and a little bit of continuation of that same image to the inside of our card to really fancy it up. I absolutely love decorating the inside to make it match, and it just adds a little extra touch. I also layered the basic white onto some Pretty in Pink to add even more fabulousness for the inside of the card. Next, we're going to take the Pretty in Pink and I'm going to stamp the flower image just all over the background. And this is ink on ink, so it's just gonna be like a little bit of a watermark sort of look. And most of this is going to be covered up, but it just adds a fabulous little background texture to that front focal point. Then I'm going to layer this onto some basic white and then add this to the left-hand side of our card front. And then we're going to layer on all of our flowers. So we're going to just add our greeting first. This is just the little bitty greeting, as well as using the same die set. So it's that little banner die set. It's got little dots all around it, so it just adds some extra fabulousness to it. I stamped that in Petunia Pop just to pull that color in a little bit more, and added it to my card front with Stampin' Dimensionals. Of course, you know how much I love my Stampin' Dimensionals. And then these layers are actually two of the die cuts. So one of them is a more solid look and one of them is like an outline look. At first I thought about doing it in the light and dark pink, and then I went with these colors instead and just mixed them all together as I felt like they looked super fabulous together. And so I glued those together using the fine tip glue pen and then added those to the card front again with Stampin' Dimensionals, because I love them and I love a little extra texture to my project. It also makes adding this to the card and tucking in those leaves a little bit easier as well. And so then that just makes things a little bit more fun and easy. So there are two different sets of leaf dies in the set, which makes it fabulous for less die cutting because you can get the 3-leaf set and the 2-leaf set with every crank through. So that's super fabulous, especially whenever you're adding a whole bunch. I added a total of 5 of the leaf sets to this card. You could always stop at 3. They always say to decorate in 3s or in odd numbers. So I did 5 total. And I just kind of tucked them in and around those flowers just to make it look nice and bunched and full and everything. I just love the way the look came out with these gorgeous flowers. And of course, we're gonna add some embellishments for a little extra bling and fabulousness. So I added actually some to the center of the flowers. And if you use a small enough one, then it will go down the center of the flower since it's popped up with dimensionals. So you just kind of have to pop it down in there. And I used the Take Your Pick tool. Of course, it makes it so much easier. Also known as the bulldozer, because we just like to push those embellishments with the Take Your Pick tool putty end and add those to the card. And then I added some more jewels over by the greeting to complete that fabulous look. I hope you enjoyed this card as much as I do, and give it a try yourself. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye-bye.